I have a 99% job success score on Upwork. And here's the part that surprises people. It has almost nothing to do with the quality of my work. The work has to be good, but great work alone won't get you a 99% score. Plenty of talented freelancers have mediocre ratings. Why? Because clients don't just rate what you deliver, they rate how it feels to work with you. Here's what I learned. A client's biggest fear isn't bad work, it's uncertainty. Not knowing where the project stands, sending a message and hearing nothing for 2 days, wondering if you disappeared, that silence creates anxiety, and anxious clients leave bad reviews even when the final work is fine. So I built my entire reputation on one thing: communication. I reply fast, I give updates. If something will take 3 days, I say this will take 3 days and I'll check in tomorrow with progress. That's it. That's the secret. My clients always know exactly where things stand, so they never have a reason to worry. When you make a client feel calm and in control, they don't just rate you 5 stars, they come back, they refer you, they become the foundation of your entire business. Your skill gets you the job, but how you make people feel is what builds the reputation that gets you every job after that. Master the relationship, and the score takes care of itself.